Some 60 kilometers south of Berlin, you'll find the largest freestanding hall in the world. Enter the unique world of tropical islands, Europe's largest tropical holiday world. Swim through dreamlike waterscapes, or explore a real tropical rainforest. This exotic holiday paradise covers an area of 66,000 square meters at a perfectly dreamlike 26 degrees. Relax in Europe's biggest tropical sauna and spa complex. Check into the Tropical Islands Resort for an unforgettable romantic night or two in the tropics. Choose between a multitude of different accommodation types. Take a leisurely stroll down our colourful shopping boulevard, while the kids enjoy plenty of fun and games in the Kids Tropino Club. Let the African jungle lift take you an incredible 20 meters up into the tropical air. Every night, there's a fascinating gala show of first-rate entertainment. Enjoy international cuisine in one of our many restaurants. And what better way to end the day than with a tropical cocktail?